Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lee. This channel is all about second, vintage, fashion, thrifting, styling, and basic alteration and repair skills. Today is a thrifters chat video. I'm going to talk about clothing and handbags, particularly why do I buy damaged clothes and handbags? When I go thrifting, sometimes I find clothing pieces or handbags which made of very good quality, but there is a small damage. And the price is very good because of that damage. And for me, that damaged clothes and handbags are treasures I'm looking for. So it's a real treasure for a treasure hunt like me, because I can take them home and try to repair them, and I can enjoy them again. This is why I buy damaged clothes and handbags. They are made of very good quality, they are worth repairing, the price is good, and they fit me. So I'm going to show you a few clothing pieces and a handbag I bought and damaged, and I tried to repair them and wear them. The first one is this brown turtleneck jumper. I'm wearing it every winter since I bought it. I got it 5-6 years ago in a charity shop in Berlin. I paid €3. The price was so good because there is a little damage. And here it's a little hole, and I stitched this hole together. And because the hole is inside, it's actually invisible. And this jumper is made of 60% new wool, made in Germany, a vintage piece. It's a good purchase. It's a real treasure. Next piece is also jumper, a vintage Escada jumper made of 100% new wool with these beautiful embroidered stars. I got it on eBay and I paid around £12. There are a few moss holes here, but I don't mind. I just repair it like this. If I could find the same color thread, I could use them, but I didn't find it, or I didn't have it, so I just use this pink color thread and repair it like this. And it's also beautiful like this. And since I got it, I also wear this jumper so often. Next piece is this beautiful pleated vintage Mundi trousers made of 100% new wool. I got it on eBay, £9.50. The damage is actually here. A little hole is inside of this legs inside seam, so it's not very obvious. So I stitch it like this, and I enjoy wearing these pink trousers. It's high quality. Next one is pool camel hair coat. I got on eBay. I paid £55. It's so soft and luxurious. There was a moth hole on this shoulder, but I repaired it, and I made a video about how I repair these holes in a camel wool coat. I will link the video down below. And it's a maxi length coat, and it was the money. So if you're looking for a very good quality winter coat, if you find a vintage one made of luxury material like camel hair, cashmere, alpaca, but if there is a moth hole or little damage, don't worry about it. It's simple to repair. Just watch my video and you will get beautiful coats and classic, last long with a bargain price. So next one is a handbag. This one. This is a Louis Vuitton Amazon bag. It's made in France, 2004. I bought 5-6 years ago from a Japan reseller. I paid around 100 euro, I think 90 something euro. Anyway, no more than 100 euro. The price was good because the versatile leather tab was missing, and also this shoulder strap. The versatile leather is broken, so the shoulder strap needed to be repaired. I found a special way to repair it, and I made a video about how I repair broken shoulder strap on a Louis Vuitton crossbody bag. I will also link the video down below. I'm not a professional, so I just find different way, be creative to repair different stuff. And also because I repair, I practice, and if my repairing skill improved, and I can repair all these pieces again, so I can see the evolution of my repair skills. And after I repaired this bag, and I can use it again. And I like to use it when we go out for a walk in the nature, and I can put all my essentials, and my essentials, different stuff will be protected by this canvas. So this is all these pieces I like to show you today. So I found this tray damaged, but I paid them for a bargain price and try to repair them and wear them proudly. It's me. And they are real tray. Yeah, how about you? In my observation, the product nowadays, including clothing, handbags, furniture, electronic appliances, the quality of products decrease. So I prefer to buy vintage one or product made 20-40 years ago. If there is a little damage, and I try to repair them or get them repaired. they are the products they worth spend money. So when I'm going to get something new, new for me, I always think secondhand first. So how about you? Do you also buy damaged clothing or handbags and trying to repair them? What your thoughts are and opinion about buying damaged clothes and handbags? I'd like to know. Please leave your thoughts and opinion in the comments down below. So if you're still here, thank you for watching and take care until next time. Bye bye.